little baby one. Hey guys! Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you don't know who I am, that's who I am. This is my assistant today, Landis. Alright, today we are talking about the new EasyPress, but there's a mini one, and then there's a jumbo one, and then there's the original size. So today we're going to be talking about the mini one, and we are going to be making 7 onesies with you guys today. We already pre-cut all the designs, and we did them, so now we're just going to show you how to use the EasyPress on them and how easy the EasyPress is. So easy. This one is gonna help me do it. It comes in this raspberry color right now. I don't know if they're gonna be releasing new colors or what, but for right now, it started with the raspberry color. It's the same as the original with the button wise. There are still your power button, your Cricut Go button, your temperature button, your timer button, and then your plus and minus button. Super easy, super simple. The new base is insulated and it helps protect your surface. It doesn't get hot, so that is a new design on it. And then this is a ceramic flat plate that evenly heats and keeps everything super dry. This heats up a little bit faster now, and it goes all the way up to 400 degrees. So that's super fun. Then there's also a smaller mat that you can purchase that goes with this, but if you want to get the largest mat there is, you can always use this on that as well, because this will fit on that. The only thing is you can't use the bigger ones on the smaller mats because obviously it's going to be too big for that mat. There is a USB port on the back that allows you to update any software updates on this. So if you're wondering what that little button is on the back, that's what that is. All right, so we're just gonna power this bad boy on. I'm gonna turn the temperature up to, or down to 320. I just like to keep it at 320. There are settings for each individual thing that you're ironing on. And then I'm gonna keep my timer at 30. So you'll notice that this little Cricut C is red when it starts, and it will heat up, and then it will turn green once it has heated up. And it's heating up about 5 degrees every second, it looks like. We're doing a few different onesies that have up to 3 different colors. And then you're gonna hear that doo-doo. What did it sound like? Doo-doo. Once you hear that, doo-doo, that means it's ready. And your little C turns this lime green color, and then we're good to go. So before we do that, we wanna heat up our mat a little bit like this. And then I like to use a piece of cotton, like a thin piece of cotton as my protectant sheet. Although Cricut does have protectant sheet you can purchase. And now we're just gonna lay this on here. And then just make sure our design is where we want it on the onesie. Okay, so then I'm just gonna take my one piece like this, and I want you to stand up a little bit, and we're gonna just do this and click the C, and then hold firmly down. And then it will count down the seconds that we set on there. So we set it to 30 seconds.
So easy.
It's so easy.
You don't even have to like move it or anything.
Easy press. What?
That's why they call it EasyPress. It's so easy.
Yeah, so you'll hear that doo-doo again when it's done. You just move it right back over to its base. Take your protectant off, and then you can let it cool a little bit to make sure that it's adhered on there, but I can see with my eyes that it is already adhered on there really nicely. Yeah. Ta-da! Now let's move up to the 2 colored onesies. So to do the 2 colors, same process as if we were to use the regular EasyPress. We are just going to put 1 layer on at a time.
Oh, and do it one at a time.
I'm gonna put both layers on to start so I get the positioning how I want it. Okay, so now we're gonna take 1 layer off, and we're just going to do 1 layer at a time. We're gonna use our...
Oh, yes. Sorry.
You also, sometimes it helps to heat up your surface that you're doing it on first. So just give it a little rub. Stick your little guy on there. Is that even?
Yeah, good.
Okay, and then you go ahead and do it. The EasyPress is so easy. I thought she forgot to press the button, but she didn't.
And it's not like this a project that you're like, this takes forever.
Right.
It's only 30 seconds.
Yeah. So this works a lot better than an iron because you're getting that even heat on there. You're getting that nice firm pressure on every spot. So now we're going to take that off and we're going to put our second layer on. So I took the plastic off of that, put our second layer on, and then I'm going to put my plastic right back over that just to protect that iron-on that we had on there. We're going to do the process one more time. All right, all right, all right. Look at you go. It's so easy. 18 more seconds on this. One thing I like to do while I'm doing this is dance. One of the nice things that, because this takes a little bit of time, is it helps that if you're doing a lot of projects, you can be cutting some projects while you're easy pressing other projects. It really kills that time in between and helps you cross over. So while your mat is cutting, you can keep this bad boy on and then just work on it. Yeah, it's very hot, so just make sure you don't burn yourself. All right, you want to show them that one?
Yep. Here we have our next beautiful onesie done.
Let's do one more.
Okay.
We'll have more than, so I'm going to...
So, if your layers are not like, if they're separated, say there's one on this side and one a couple inches off, would you be able to do it at the same time?
Yes.
Oh.
The only thing that you can't do at the same time is if the plastic goes underneath your actual iron-on.
Yeah.
So I have a video called How to Do 2 Colors at Once, and it shows you what I'm talking about. But for this sake, we are just gonna do one layer at a time just to make sure, because we're just kind of, this is our first time using the little EasyPress, and we're really excited about it.
It's so easy.
Okay, so here are a couple other things I've done. I've done a little dress.
So cute.
A baby dress, and then I have this little onesie we've done that says
Oh dear,
and this one that says best day ever. And so we have lots of fun things that we've made.
Now,
So I'm gonna pull those off.
I think that it's just so easy. For my next act, I will easy press the onesie.
Now I'm the assistant.
Boom.
This is really hard, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like the hardest thing I've ever done.
No, it's not. It's so easy. It's the EASY press 2. It's 2. So that's another way you can kill time while you're easy pressing, is you can rap, make up songs, all that good stuff.
Have fun.
Have fun.
All
All right, how many have we made so far? We made 3 already.
3.
All right, we're gonna step it up a notch and see if we can do both colors at once.
Because this,
So what I was saying is you just have to make sure that none of that HTV or iron-on goes on top of plastic, because otherwise it would iron onto plastic. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
And then, all right, so this is gonna go even faster because we're doing both layers at once. Now, you wanna make sure that you're using the same type of product for this, or glitter iron-on is pretty durable, so I usually like to do that at the same time as well because it can handle a little bit more of the heat. But if you're using things like holographic iron-on or anything that requires sensitive heat, I would not do it at the same time as another type of product on your product that you're ironing it on. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah, because they take less time, they take less temperature. You don't want to do them all at the same time.
Voila.
Okay.
Fresh from heaven.
So cute.
Are we doing each layer or different?
Do them separately.
Okay.
Those ones are supposed to be close.
All right.
So lay out the entire design first
Okay.
on how you want it. So we can do these 2 layers because they're not even touching.
Oh, yeah.
So we can
Okay.
do those 2 at the same time. You're missing a step, my friend.
I got it. I got it.
You got it. Remember, slow down. Take your time when you're learning. Always pays to slow down and make sure that you're doing everything right. You will get faster as time goes on, and those steps will become second nature. But don't rush through your projects when you're first learning how to do it, because you will waste product, you'll waste your time, you'll waste your frustration, all of the above. I've been there. I've done that for you so that you don't do it. All right, take that bad boy off. All right, let's do the second layer. Let's put the plastic back on.
We put our handy dandy.
Here.
I see.
As long as it doesn't go over plastic. And then we'll do that.
I love it.
That is so cute.
And this one's a shirt. It's actually for PJs.
BJ's.
Yes. Put them all at once. There we go. Got it done. Mini me. Now we have to do our
Now
hearts.
you do the little hearts.
Alright, I'm getting good at this.
Yeah, you are. Because it's so easy.
Our plastic back on and we got our handy dandy
Handy dandy
fabric. It's our handy dandy fabric. It helps us with our magic tricks of easy pressing.
Magic tricks of easy pressing. Magic tricks of easy pressing. Give me a beat. Louder. They gotta hear it. I got my easy press too. I'm gonna put stuff on you with my iron on. With my iron on.
Done.
See, you freestyle. That was actually really good. I might have to quit YouTube and just become a rapper.
Very cute. It says
So
Minnie.
cute. All right, I got this one ready.
Alright, that's plastic and everything.
Laid it all out. No, and now we're going to take off any pieces that are underneath.
That's a good way to do it.
Yeah. So I might take the little off too. Any of the pieces that are on top of plastic, I'm gonna take those off.
29 seconds.
What kind of style should this song be?
Jazz.
Jazz?
I'll be.
I got my easy press too.
Alright, we're good. It beeped.
Man, I was about to hit that last note. Okay, so sometimes it's even faster. All right, really. So yeah, some of these brighter colors, when they heat up, they have a little bit of color change, but once they cool down, the color will go back to normal.
So I
So
need to keep those.
these hot fluorescent colors,
So good at that.
singing while you craft. Easy.
Last final one. Auntie Tay, go.
Disney style.
Yes. Ready, set, go.
Press the button on the left. It might be the right to you, but when you hear it beeping, your iron on is through. I did not write these songs before this video, FYI.
Little Miss Wonderful. Whee.
All right, guys, so that is it. So we just did 7
Amazing.
amazing, fun onesies. So we hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you guys get this, make sure you check out the links below. Use the coupon code Auntie Tay for 10% off plus free shipping on this bad boy. I liked it. Did you like it?
I loved it. I think it's worth it.
You think it's worth it?
And you get free shipping, so it's worth it.
Right. So why not just get it?
Get it.
Get it now.
It's beautiful. It's right now.
If I were to take this with me on a trip and I wanted to do easy crafting, this would travel so much better, and I think that this would be my go-to.
Yeah.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.
We love